Good morning. Good morning. Today is April 29th, 2020. Happy hump day. Today the weather is a little cloudy, but we'll definitely get through an amazing day. So today for our greeting, I want to do a virtual fist pump as our greeting. So get your fists ready and good morning. Great job. So today for our share, I want to know who's your favorite character and why are they favorite? Why are they your favorite character? Mine is Wonder Woman because she comes from a line of strong women. And today, also for our share, I want you to draw a picture of your favorite character. I'm going to do it too. And I'm going to present it today at our Zoom call. So for today, let's read our morning message together. Good morning, scholars. Today is April 29th, 2020. As you read and complete your activities, I want to remind you that it's okay to make mistakes. No one is perfect, so don't be afraid to mess up, but when you do, just make sure to try again. So I just want you to understand that no one is perfect. Miss Fernandez makes mistakes, mommies and daddies makes mistakes, even sometimes you make mistakes. But as long as we try again and we try to fix it, that's the most important thing that we can do. Love, Miss Fernandez. Today, I will see all of you guys at our 1 o'clock Zoom meeting. I can't wait to see your pictures. Have a great day, guys.